So before starting the lesson, let us start with a small poem. First is, the wind blew. Shh. All my clothes flew. And the cat got my hat. Meow. A fox got my socks. And the goat got my coat. Meh. And owl got my towel. Right? Yeah. So as soon as the wind blew, so all the belongings was given for many different animals like cat, goat, owl. Okay then, let's move on to the story, her main story. You know what? In the house, so we children, we used to get ready to go for school, right? And similarly, our parents also, they get ready for going for office. So there was a Raju. So Raju wanted to go for school. So he got up and he wore uniform. And similarly, Raju's daddy, he was going for office. So he wore formals. And Raju's mother, she was a doctor actually in a hospital. So she wore an apron. And then Raju's sister, she was going to the birthday party. So she wore party dress. Yes. And if you observe, all of them are going to their works, their own works, right? Yeah. Then, as soon as Raju got ready to go to school, the school bus came and he went for school. So in the school, teacher was asking about the dress. So teacher said, what does a girl wear for saree? So suddenly, there was a girl called Reena. She said, ma'am, a girl wear blouse for saree. And then teacher asked, what does boy wear for t-shirt? And there was a boy named Raju, our hero. He said, a boy wear pant for t-shirt. And then after finishing the school, so this boy, he returned back to his home. So in the evening, this Raju was watching a TV. And suddenly, Raju saw the cat and he observed what was it doing. And once in a home, there was a cat and rat. And this fury white cat is sitting on the mat. Suddenly, this cat saw the rat, which was grey and very fat. Yeah. And the cat meowed, meow, and jumped. And this rat ran, duck, 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 moving to his house. So Raju was amazed and he started to laugh by seeing this. Then Raju's mother told, Raju, it is a winter season, wear a sweater. So Raju said, Mother, why we wear sweater in winter? See, the mother told, child, in winter it is too cold. We keep ourselves warm, so we wear woolen cloths. Then Raju said, Mother, then tell in which season we wear what kind of dresses. So mother started explaining. She said, see, during the rainy season, we wear a raincoats. Similarly, during the summer season, we wear a cotton cloths. So Raju said, okay, mother. And mother continued. She said, in India, we wear different kinds of dress in different parts. Few examples are Kashmiri dress, Sikhi dress, and South Indian dress, Bengali dress, and Rajasthan dress. And some special people do some special jobs and they wear special kinds of clothes. For example, army people, doctor, nurse, police, lawyer, etc. But we need clothes to cover our body because it protects us from dirt, heat, cold, wind and rain. That's why the dress or clothes are very important. And this is about the chapter dress.